Type of sums which is smaller among this given 2 power 25, 3 power 20, 5 power 15, 9 power 10. If this like power sums comes, how will you find which power is greater or which number is smaller? So for that, on the easiest method, right, find the HCF of the power numbers. What are the power numbers? 25, 20, 15, 10. Here, how will you find the HCF? Just write all together, the common table for all. Which number goes in common for all? Right, it will be 5. This goes 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times. Again, we cannot do this. Is it not? Only this one, all are different numbers. So, only common number is 5. So, your HCF is 5. The answer for this is 5. So, all the powers write in terms of power 5. 2 power 25 can be written as 2 to the power of what? No? Power of 5. Now, what number to be multiplied with this 5 to get your 25? The question has 25 as a power. So, one more of power 5 if you write, you will get 25. Same way 3 power 20 is given. So 1 5 you take it out. So among 20, which makes 20 in 5 table, how many times it is 20? 4 times. Writing that inside. So all the powers you write it in terms of power 5. Now 15 goes 3 times. Right inside. 1 5 outside. So the remaining 3 inside. Next 9 power 10. That means 9 raised to the power of 5. 5 how many times is 10 is 2. Okay. So now replace all this. 2 power 5 is 32. Power 5. 3 power 4. 9 is 81 to the power of 5. Now again 5 cube. It's 125 to the power of 5. Now 9 power 2. That is again 81 to the power of 5. So everything now under the power of 5. Now comparing the numbers inside. Which is the smallest is the question. So 32 is the smallest among this inside number. See 81, 125, 81, 32. In this you write the original number. So 2 power 25 is the smallest. Okay. Smallest number. Same way. You understand this? Look into the next one. 5 power 24, 2 power 60, 3 power 48, 4 power 36. Which is greater among this? Right? For this also you can do it same method. Find the HCF of this power numbers 24, 60, 48 and 36. Right? Common multiples, common tables you have to do it. So you all know to find LCM, is it not? Now doing with the HCF. Take on common table. Start from 2 itself. Okay. 12 times 24, 30 times 60, 24 times 48. Okay. 24 times 48 and then 18 times is 16, 36. Again do with the common table, right? 2 times itself do it. 6 times, 15 times, 12 times, and this 18 goes 9 times. Now 6, 15, 12 and 9. It won't go into table commonly. So take 3 table. Write 2 times, 3 table this. 5 times, 12 goes 4 times, 9 goes 3 times. Now again this cannot be done. So leave it as it is. The common numbers multiples is 2 into 2 into 4, 3. That is 4 into 3. That means 12 is your HCF. So change all the powers. 2 power 24 as to the power of 12. Okay. Now how many times 12 multiply with this power 24? 2 times. That right inside the bracket. Outside the power common number, HCF number you have to write. See the next 2 power 20. 2 to the power of 12. So inside that bracket, how many times to be multiplied to get 60? 12 is multiplied 5 times to get that 60. 3 power 48. 3 how many times to be multiplied so that the power 12 into the number is 48. 4 times. Next number is 4 power 36. That is 4 multiplied by 3 to get that 36. Now write its actual values now. 5 power 2, that is 25 to the power of 12. And this one, 2 power 32, that is 32 to the power of 12. 3 power 4, that is 81 to the power of 12. And this last one, 4 power 3, 64 to the power of 12. Now among this power 12, see 24, 32, 81, 64. Which is the greatest one? This 81 is your greatest. That means 3 power 48 is greater. You write the actual number, that is before finding HCF multiplied answer. The original number, power number you write. 3 power 48 is greater. Okay, that is what the answer. In this method also, HCF method also, you can find which is greater. You can do with greater and smaller.